Born from the earth, formed with water. Earthenware created with the fingertips. Nature pulled and pushed into shape. The earthenware is engulfed in fire. Earth, water, and fire. Earthenware created from nature, by nature. Onggi is nature. This is the home of an Onggi master living in Uljugun. The sounds of clay being pounded can be heard from outside. The bottom of the Onggi is made with clay of a certain thickness, and the walls are slowly added. All Onggi start with this basic work. It takes time and technique to build the round walls of the Onggi. The only two tools needed to make this large Onggi are the sure and doge. Everything else lies in the master's fingertips. The excellence of Korea's Onggi lies in the glazing. Rather than using glaze with lead oxide, Korean Onggi are dipped in natural glaze. Patterns are drawn into the wet glaze. The Onggi undergo 6 or 7 steps before being ready for the fire. In the yard of this 80-year-old house are many clay jars containing sauces and pastes. The jars have been passed down through generations, from mother-in-law to daughter-in-law. For the women of this family, managing the sauces and pastes was an important task.
많이 말랐네.
양이 뿔뿔한데 이건 별로
맛있네 언니.
The Onggi are unlike any other earthenware. These holes allow for gas to escape during the fermentation process, but are small enough so that rain and snow are kept out. Only letting air pass through, Onggi become breathing pottery. So Onggi are placed in the most well-ventilated spots. Onggi are shaped differently according to region, because each geographical area requires a unique rate of sunshine and amount of radiated heat for fermentation. The efforts of nature and man come together to complete the Onggi. Onggi are special because they are made to resemble nature. They are born from the earth, shaped by water, engulfed in fire, and created by man. Onggi, in and of itself, is nature.